Alright, so we still have her. We're still in it. We're taking apart the dome lights. And voila. So you actually gotta need, all you need is this guy. That's actually what I installed. Riding blind spots. And that video is there. Stupid focus. So come this way. You see how this one right here, you see this one's already taken off. You can get a better look at how you got to do it. You see, so you want to just pop her out. You see, so you got this guy, little teeth that go around this little rod right there. All right, so you just pop her back in. That's it. And the spring-loaded part is up top. So this is actually last. So you want to get to this guy first, this guy second, or vice versa. Doesn't really matter. And then this will pop from the top. So to put her back, I'll show you. You see, just line her back up. Push, and there you go. Done. I'll do that back in a second. Let me get back there. No biggie. Show you. Be right back. All right. So the front video is. Who cares? I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna make it one video. So this is kind of idiotic. This little thing is just falling off. Don't know why they would do that, but it falls in your face after you take this guy out. He's a little goggle shaped. Very simple. Again with the pressure fit. Right, so it's just pressure fit. So what I did was same tool, a little crap on, or you could probably get a little butter knife, I don't know, something thin. You're gonna go right in between the plastic. This one doesn't really matter where you hit it. I like guys who sit there and say, why don't you just use a fiber stick? Because it's too small. The gap is too small for a fiber stick. Jackasses. So let's put her all back. This probably won't stay. You see how it won't stay? Stay. See how it's on an angle? Alright, so now we got this guy. Just push her. There you go. That's it. I'm just wondering how you get a fiber stick in that little gap. Let's see if we can get this actually, because you got guys who talk smack. How do you get a fiber stick in there when this doesn't even go in there? Let's see. Watch. Look, it doesn't go in. So what you're doing is you're actually pushing in to make room, and technically you can use a razor blade, but anyway, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.